Riegil here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, magagawa tayo ng makeup tutorial. And itong makeup tutorial na to guys, to achieve a fresh looking makeup tutorial, or sabihin na natin parang pabebe makeup tutorial. So yeah guys, if you're interested sa makeup tutorial na to, just keep on watching. And yeah guys, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Start your face sa malinis na face and then mag-moisturize kayo. Any moisturizer will work. As of now, here's my moisturizer. Super laki na. Hindi na ako mauubusan. It's a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, body and face. Kuha lang ako ng ganitong konti and mag-moisturize ko yung face ko. Balm chapstick. My foundation. Ito yung foundation na gagamitin ko, and this is in a shade 2. Blush ako, and gagamitin ko is this blush. I don't know. It's a clay blush. So, nabili lang to ng mama ko sa Shopee. And, yeah guys, pinigay sa akin ni mama. And, ito yung itsura niya. Charan! So, for my eyes, ang gagawin lang natin is kuha kayo ng contour, pang-contour ng mukha. And tong gagamitin ko is this EB Everbelena Contour Duo. And, ayun. Next is, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I-curl ko lang, hindi ako magmamascara or what. Just gonna curl it. So, isa-set ko yung face ko using this Nichido Final Powder. Hairline Strobe Stick. As usual, my favorite highlighter as of now. Kasi super ganda niya lang. Na shade Clay Crush. Ito gagawin ko parang di ba pabebe. So, konti lang nalagay ko. So, here's the final look, guys. I look so pabebe as of now. Okay, so yun na nga yun. Super pabebe na ng itsura ko. And i-zoom out lang. Super zoom in naman sa pagmamukha kasi sis. Ayan na sis. Pabebe na. Yun na guys. If you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to be part of #FamiJil. So, sabi ko dito, pipili ako ng 5 na tao na shoutout ko sa YouTube. So, okay. Isa-shoutout ko kayo. Yun, shoutout kay Maddie sa TikTok. Shoutout kay Daniel Marion. Shoutout kay Ederson Ricafort. Shoutout to It's Me _Iya. And shoutout to Ariel Reyes. So, ayun na guys. Na-shoutout ko na kayo. If meron kayong TikTok, follow nyo ako sa TikTok. And yeah, ito yung itsura ng TikTok ko guys. Or lalagay ko na lang sa description box yung TikTok name ko or TikTok ID. And yeah guys, mag-TikTok tayo, mag-duet tayo doon and everything. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.